Hello from a very gloomy Hong Kong and welcome to this week's market update. Now this week marked another record for the S&P 500, which crossed and held above the 4,000 mark for the first time ever. This also coincided with the lowest volumes in US markets of the year, partly due to the Easter holidays. But volume has generally been in a downward trend since the end of January, coinciding with falling volatility, which fell to well below the pre-pandemic peak, according to Michael Kramer of Mott Capital Management. This could result in a near-term pullback in the S&P 500 back towards the 3960 level. The UK's FTSE 100 index is edging closer to the key psychological level of 7,000, closing at 6942 on Thursday. The FTSE has underperformed major indexes, dragged down by Brexit and its lack of tech exposure. Whilst the index has made progress, it continues to lag behind the S&P 500, both on a year-to-date and month-to-date basis. Clean energy stocks rebounded from recent declines as the Biden administration's $2.3 trillion proposal to revamp roads, transit, ports, and more was unveiled. Biden plans to build 500,000 electric charging stations and likely continue to subsidize electric car purchases. This has spurred the S&P Auto ETF to rise 118% over the past year. Finally, for this week, helped by Fed Chair Jay Powell's assurances that the central bank can reinvigorate the economy without runaway inflation, the US 10-year Treasury yield declined to a 2-week low, helping the tech-heavy Nasdaq to jump more than 1% on Thursday, outpacing the S&P 500 and Dow Jones. The closely watched ARK Innovation Fund rose 2.75% on Thursday, but is still down around 2% year-to-date. ARK was critiqued by Morningstar US strategist Robbie Greenhall, who pointed to ARK's lack of a traditionally financially educated team. Now, ARK prefers to hire experts in the fields it invests, then trains them in-house to be more investment-minded. The strategy seems to be working so far, with ARK's funds attracting $7 billion of inflows so far this year, but comes with risks, with its flagship fund falling 29.6% in just 23 days earlier this year. So you need to have a strong stomach. That's all for this week's market update. I will see you all again next week.